Hello everyone, welcome to Pharma Future Family. I am Krishna Nirmale, ex-student of Naipar Hyderabad. Today onwards, daily we will discuss a 6 multiple choice question with answer and description from specific topic that is important for GPAT, Naipar and pharmacist exam. Today our topic of discussion is introduction of dosage form. In that, first MCQ is that dash are the liquid and semi-liquid preparation meant for application to the skin with friction. Option A ointment, option B liniment, option C linters, and option D lotion. Right answer is liniment. These are the monophasic liquid dosage form meant for application to the skin with friction and rubbing of skin. There is so many confusing between liniment and lotion. Just small difference in that lotion is applied without friction and liniment is applied with friction and rubbing to the skin. Now we'll see the ointment. Ointment are the semi-solid preparation meant for application to the skin or mucous membrane. They usually contain medicament that is dissolved in ointment base. Okay. Moving to lotion. Lotion also monophasic liquid dosage form. Their external apply without friction. Okay. Moving to linters. Linters, these are the monophasic liquid dosage form meant for internal use, prescribed for relief of cough. Linters generally used for relief of cough. Second questions. The concentration of sucrose in simple syrup as per Indian pharmacopoeia. There is a difference between Indian pharmacopoeia and US pharmacopoeia of concentration of sucrose in simple syrup. Option A is 85% weight by volume, option B 66.7 percentage weight by weight, C 66.7 percentage weight by volume, and option D is 85% weight by volume. Right answer is that 66.7 percentage weight by weight. Now we'll see the answer with explanation. Simple syrup. Simple syrup aim is that to prepare and dispense a simple syrup. Principle is that syrup is a sweetened, viscous, concentrated solution of sucrose or on any other sugar in water and any suitable aqueous vehicles. They are generally have two type: simple flavor syrup and medicated syrup. If syrup do not containing any medicament of drug, then it's called as simple flavor syrup. If it's containing medicament, then it is called as medicated syrup. Okay, these are to contain some medical substance with their other additives. Any sucrose concentration in simple syrup as per Indian pharmacopoeia it's 66.7 weight by weight. This is our right answer. Moving to USP. Simple syrup USP is a concentration 85% weight by volume, means 850 gram dissolved in 1000 ml, then it's from simple syrup as per USP. It is a dilute solution of sucrose, provide as an excellent nutrient for mold, yeast and other microorganisms. Unsaturated solution leads to crystallization. Is a part of sucrose under the changing temperature. Generally syrup is storage temperature not exceeding about 25 degrees Celsius, and it have a high density and specific gravity, high viscosity also that, and syrup itself act as a preservative. To third question, monophasic viscous liquid dosage form prescribed for relief of cough. Option A liniments, option B elixir, option C linters, and option D suspension. Right answer is linters. Now description. Linters, these are the monophasic liquid dosage form used of internally from relief of cough. Then elixir also has a monophasic liquid dosage form, but it is a sweet aromatic preparation mainly contain 4 to 40% ethyl alcohol and used as an antibiotic, antihistamine and sedative. Moving to liniment. Liniment we already discussed the definition. Now we'll see uses. Liniment is acts as an analgesic, rubefacient, soothing, counter-irritant and stimulating property. Moving to suspension. Suspension, these are the biphasic liquid dosage form. It containing two phase of liquid for drug divided into solid particle are dispersed in liquid phase. Moving to fourth question. Dash are the aqueous non-viscous concentrated solution used to prevent or treat throat infection. Mainly concentrate on this point: aqueous non-viscous concentrated solution. Option A is throat paint, option B mouthwash, option C gargle, and option D lotion. With description, right answer is the gargle, because these are the aqueous non-viscous concentrated solution used to treat throat infection. Moving to mouthwash. Mouthwash are the aqueous solution having pleasant taste and odor, used to clean and deodorize the buccal cavity. Okay. Then throat paint are the aqueous viscous solution, and gargle is a non-viscous solution and used to treat mouth and throat infection. Okay. Moving to lotion we already discussed. These are the monophasic liquid dosage form applied to the skin without friction and used as a protective and antiseptic actions. Then moving to fifth question: the ointment base which possesses the ideal quality of ointment base is option A absorption base, option B liquid paraffin, option C water soluble base, option D none of. Now we'll see the answer with description. These are the ideal quality of ointment base. These base are anhydrous, water soluble, adsorb water, and water washable. They are either carboxy, that is polyethylene glycol, or hydrated gum. These are used as a drug vehicles. For example, PEG ointment, polybase, OWY emulsion, and OYW emulsion, like that. These bases are anhydrous, water soluble, and absorb water and water washable. They either carbovax, polyethylene, and hydrated gum, and they also used as a drug vehicle. Some main important point is that there is no single ointment base which possesses the all ideal quality of ideal ointment base. That's why answer is none of these. Sixth and last question: in which type of emulsion the emulsion is break when diluted with water? Emulsion have basically two types: water in oil emulsion and oil in water emulsion. In water in oil emulsion, oil will be the continuous phase and water will be the dispersed phase. Okay. And in OYW emulsion, oil is the dispersed phase and water is the continuous phase. If water is added in W/O emulsion, then emulsion is break, because oil is a continuous phase. If water is added in continuous phase, that is O/W emulsion, then it is not break, because water is a continuous phase. To description, these are the identification test for emulsion. First one, dilution test. In this test, diluted either by water or oil. If emulsion is O/W type emulsion, means water is a continuous phase, it's diluted water, it remain unstable in the water as a dispersed medium. But if it diluted with oil, the emulsion will break as oil, then water not miscible with each other. Okay. Moving to conductivity test. Basic principle of all test: water is a good conductor of electricity. If continuous phase is water, then electricity passes through the water and electric bulb is on. So then cobalt chloride test. When filter paper soaked in cobalt chloride solution is dipped in the emulsion and dry, it's turned into blue to pink. It indicates as emulsion is O/W type emulsion. And dye solubility test. In this emulsion is mixed with water soluble dye, for example Amarnath, and observed under microscope. If the continuous phase appear red, it means the emulsion is O/W, because Amarnath is soluble in water. If dye will dissolve in give color scatter group red appear continuous phase, then it's a WIO type emulsion. Similarly, oil soluble dye like Scaradel B or Southern Red is added in the emulsion and continuous phase appear with the red, then emulsion will be the WIO emulsion. Then coming to fluorescence test. If emulsion on exposed to ultraviolet light, it show continuous fluorescence under microscope, then it is a WIO emulsion, because oil have a fluorescence property. If it show only spotty fluorescence, then it is a O/W type of emulsion. Thank you for watching. If you like video, share this video to your friend. If you want to join our Instagram, WhatsApp or family, then contact on below number 9675002002. Thank you for watching.